Alright, well, came out here real quick. Threw one of these on. Here's a before. Or, that's an after. My bad. Okay, let's try this again. Before. Here's an after. I'm eventually going to get some LED lights to put in there. I'm wanting to get a new grill. You just saw I got new headlights and new turn signal and shit. So, wow, I guess those aren't considered turn signals, but here's a look, old versus new. The old one's pretty chewed up. So, yeah, not too bad. That kit was only like $100. Came with the HIDs, which are right here. I just tested them both. Hooked them up, ballast lights, everything's working. I got one hooked up now. I'm probably not going to mess with putting them in just yet. I want to do everything at once. Probably going to leave the turn signals in though. I'll come around here. Oh yeah, I got the I can see it, got the PRS 80 Pioneer in. Here's a switch. The potentiometer right there is for the LC1, and then that is to activate my alternators. Okay, so I ain't got nothing in there, but hit the switch over here. That one lit up nice and bright. Parking lights on. Parking lights are on. Let's try the turn signals. Hope that don't mount. I don't know if the turn signals are actually going to work without the truck running. I guess not. Oh, okay. Well, still 35 watts. I ain't even got the truck running. So, yeah, not bad. Yeah, that came with it. And it came with 55 watt halogen bulbs, so it's gonna look a lot better than that. And again, one more time. This is just China shit. I mean, hell, the kit was only $97. Came with the headlight housing, the whole assembly, which this one over here is broke. Turn signals, side markers. The HID kit, come with ballast, anti-flicker, all that shit. Gotta choose that, whatever. I got the 6 case, and yeah, not too bad of a deal. I want to get a grill. I mean, it's gonna come off anyway. I just don't know if I want to buy a black bow tie emblem or just paint that one. I'm not sure yet, but I want to get an all black grill, but eventually I might come in a few weeks. But yeah, it looks a little bit better. So here's a shot of my triple alternators, 320 amp singers, 1, 2, 3 down there. Big 3, I got some wire hanging out, I need to clean that up. Shok-a-hoe 2-watt power, ground, back over here to the alternator bracket, and then I just have a 1-aught running to the body ground for now. I haven't bothered to fuck with putting it on the frame or anything yet, but I need to redo this. I want to go up under all this shit so it's not sitting up top like that, but I'll get to it. So my fuse is hanging out. So alright, well, I guess I'll get these uploaded and put that other turn signal in and shit. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. Thanks.